How to add project in LinkedIn. First is by opening your LinkedIn app and then go to your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen. Click on View Profile and click on the three dots, the Add section right here. So click on Add section and under Recommended right here, you should click on Add Projects. Wait for it to load and then you may type in your project name, the description, the skills that you have, the media, and then you may also click on I am currently working on this project. You may choose the start date, the end date, the contributors right here, and you may also choose who you are associated with. So you just simply click on that box and then choose your who is you have associated with. So click on save once you are done, and then there you go. That's how you can add project in LinkedIn.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.